Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's been a while since I made a video and I'm back. Alright, I went on deployment. It's been like what, 8.5 months. Now I'm back and I'm making more videos for you guys. Okay, so more FK Type R content, right? And I felt like the Type R needed a new look, so I went ahead and bought some Jay's goods from Jay's Racing right here. So today I'm gonna be switching out this grill right here. This is an American modified J style grill that a lot of people was running, and I wanted to switch out to the real thing. So yeah, we're gonna change that, and we're also gonna be changing the lip for the front end. I'm not gonna tell you guys what lip we're gonna be switching until the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's see how this looks. Oh, this knife sucks. We need to like buy new knives. What's that out? Alright. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright. Am I taking too long? Yeah. Hardware. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Jay's grill. Alright. So my first dang dude. So when you get it, I guess it doesn't come perfect. I guess. I mean, yeah, look at that. It's like a lot of like sanding and little scratches here and there. And I wonder if you get it like that, you know? Okay, so I just found out from my friend Dan that it does come like this. Whenever you order something FRP, right, it comes in unfinished and you gotta paint it yourself. And I did not know that. So I'm wondering if the lip is going to be the same, because I ordered an FRP lip for the car, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I couldn't help it and I needed to check if the lip was going to be the same, so I went ahead and opened the lip, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I got the Jay's lip. So check it out. Alright, so it's not too bad actually. It does need some like sanding. It's not perfect. You can feel some like, kind of feels like primer a little bit, and here's like a little bit glossy, so it does need a repaint. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like get this and the grill repainted and do another video. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this and the grill, and I'm gonna continue this video on another day. Right? So let's go ahead and fast forward. Alright guys, so fast forward. I actually got the parts painted, and luckily I found somebody special who paints really good, and he gave me a prize that I couldn't refuse at all. So here it is. Wait, I don't know if I should I show it to them? What do you think?
Give him a little.
Okay, here it is. Well, there you go. That's it. That's all you guys gonna see until I get home. So here's the guy, Justin, if you want to introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? I'm Justin. Go by the name of DIEPDESIGNS. Hit me up, follow him on Instagram. I'll take care of you.
There you go, guys. If you guys are in the 757 or like Hampton Roads, Hampton Roads area, hit him up. Definitely, like, I definitely recommend this guy. He does really good. As far as I can see, it's pretty good, guys. So definitely hit him up, and yeah, let's get to the install. Today, Type R is gonna get a new look. So the tools you're gonna need to do this project is a drill, a rivet gun, and probably some screwdrivers. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in and let's do this install. Okay, so I lied. You're gonna also need a 10mm socket and socket wrench. Let's go with these 2 bolts here on the side, 1 screw. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. Now, you wanna just release this here. So putting them side by side, it's pretty much double the size of the OEM front spoiler. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have to drill right here and right here to access the back holes back here. So the instruction calls for a 20mm drill, but I only got 10, so we're gonna use this for now. A little bit pressure, not so much. There you go. Now we're through. And we're in. And now we're gonna drill 2 more holes. One on this side and one on the other side. Alright, so now we're gonna install the under panel to the lip. And I'm assuming, because this thing has like a little lip right here, that this will go inside here. We got some rivets that the kit provided, and we're gonna go ahead and attach it to the lip. So the instruction says we need to put this on here, riveted, right? So once you rivet this on, you can't take it off, guys. And so if this is on, there's no way you guys are gonna be putting the bolts that they provided through here. So I think I'm going to put the bolts first, and then I'm gonna put this and rivet it onto the lip. Alright, so after bolting up the lip to the bumper, you can go ahead and put the rivets on. Alright, so now you're gonna put this onto the lip, and I feel like this could have been installed before putting on the lip, so that's my bad, but let's see if we can try to squeeze it in. Bam. Cool. Now we're gonna put this screw back on here. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is how she looks. Pretty much it. Yeah. Alright, now it's time to change that out. Alright, so this is the American modified Jay's Racing style grill. So it's been a while since I installed this, and I think it's held up by 2 bolts. I think one here and the other right here, and you just push it out, I think. So I don't know, I forgot how to do this, so we'll just figure it out from here. Alright guys, finally got this bad boy off. Look at that. Alright, time to switch to the Jay's grill. So when you move your grill, your OEM grill, or whatever grill you have right now, you want to cut this right here. There's going to be a pillar. It would be standing right here. You want to cut from the base of the pillar and leave 2 centimeters off of the top. Now, I cut mine without knowing that a long time ago, so I'm probably going to have less than 2 centimeters. So yeah, let's do that. And then we're going to mount our grill to see where we need to drill stuff. So if you take a look at the Jay's grill, it has this. It was like bent inside like that. You bend it out, I guess, and it would go into these little slits on the bumper. So let's try that. So I think Jay's probably updated this where you don't need to drill anything, because I think that's why they added these little bendy clips or whatever. Huh, interesting. Alright, so you're gonna get this in the kit. It's kind of like It's kind of foamy and has adhesive in the back, so went ahead and just placed it on the top of here. Because on the American Modified grill, tend to see like a gap on the top of the grill. Should probably separate that gap. Alright guys, so the instructions, we were supposed to be provided pieces of paper with markings on them, but for some reason we didn't get those. And so when I was looking on the grill, right, these little tabs right here, those four, they're supposed to be drilled, right? And if you look really close, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cross on there. So I'm assuming we're gonna be drilling on that. And this is where we need to make our hole. So let's do that real quick. There, you can see it, 4 of them. All right, let's go ahead, let's try to mount this thing. Alright guys, so I came to a conclusion that we might just zip tie this to be honest, because what they provided are these screws, right? And they told us to drill holes on where we needed to drill holes, right? And so when you try to screw these in, right, where the holes are at, it won't go, it won't hold on because there's nothing to hold the grill. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna zip tie it. And what's pretty cool about this that the American Modified grill didn't have are these little bendy, you know, clips that the Jay's grill had. You bend it so it'll, you know, latch on and hold it right there. And this grill is held on by these bendable wires right here. And compare it to the American Modified, you had to screw these on here. It also came with a bracket that attaches from here to here, and I'm assuming that's for the emblem, Jay's Racing emblem, but I'm not going to be installing that today. I'm just going to have it just this and a Type R badge. Alright, Jay's grill officially on, Jay's lip officially on. Now to put this bumper back on the car. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I just need to put on the bolts on each side and finish the top, and that's it. But anyway, this is the new front end, guys. Check it out. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is the new front end. Alright guys, so do me a favor, comment down below on what do you guys think about the Jay's grill and the Jay's front lip. I think it looks sick, guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Till next time. See ya.